Most buyers use emotion. We are using predictive algorithms. Car dealerships have spent decades perfecting their pricing strategy. They know exactly how to make you feel like you are getting a deal when you are not. They have the data, they have the scripts, they have the training. Until now, so did only they. In this video, I am going to show you 5 free AI tools that analyze millions of data points to calculate the absolute floor price of any used car. These tools will expose every hidden flaw, reveal every dealer markup, and give you the exact number to walk in with before you ever step on the lot. It is June 2026, and the era of the dealer's final offer being final is officially over. Welcome to AI Hub Prompt, where we deploy AI tools to solve real problems. Before we get into the tools, understand this. A car dealer's job is to extract the maximum amount of money from you. Every tactic they use, the friendly greeting, the test drive, the let me check with my manager, is a calculated move designed to move you emotionally so you stop thinking logically. AI removes the emotion completely. It does not care about the salesman's charm. It does not get excited about the leather seats. It only sees cold, hard data. Here are the 5 AI tools that turn you into the most prepared buyer that dealer has ever seen. Let's deploy them. Tool number 1, AI-powered VIN analysis. Every used car has a VIN, a vehicle identification number. This 17-digit code contains the entire history of that vehicle. Most buyers never look at it. The ones who do pay a basic Carfax report and get a generic summary. In June 2026, you use AI to go much deeper. Here is the workflow. Get the VIN from the listing. Go to VehicleHistory.com completely free. Download the basic report, then open ChatGPT and paste the report with this prompt. Here is a used car history report. Analyze it like a forensic automotive expert. Identify every red flag, accidents, title issues, odometer discrepancies, service gaps, number of owners, and anything unusual in the timeline. Then calculate how each issue should reduce the asking price. Give me specific dollar amounts to use in negotiation. ChatGPT translates the report into a negotiation ammunition list. Every problem becomes a price reduction argument. Dealers cannot argue with their own car's documented history. Walk in with this list printed. The moment you place it on the table, the entire power dynamic shifts. Tool number 2, AI Market Price Intelligence. The single most powerful negotiation tool is knowing exactly what the same car is selling for right now across every platform, in your area, and at wholesale auction. Here is the data collection process. Search for the same car on CarGurus, AutoTrader, and Facebook Marketplace simultaneously. Note the price range. Then use this ChatGPT prompt. I am buying a year, make, model with mileage miles. Here are the current listings I found. Paste 5 to 10 listings with prices. The dealer is asking dollar amount. Analyze this market data and tell me, what is the true fair market value? What is a strong opening offer? What is the absolute floor price based on this data? And give me 3 specific data points I can quote to justify my lower offer. ChatGPT gives you a complete market intelligence report. You are no longer guessing what a fair price is, you know exactly, and when a dealer says, that is the best price in the market, you can say, actually, here are 7 comparable listings priced lower. That is not negotiation. That is a technical take. Tool number 3, AI predicts every repair you will pay for in the next 3 years. This is the tool dealers fear most, because it does not just tell you what is wrong with the car now, it tells you what will go wrong based on the model, mileage, and maintenance history. Use this ChatGPT prompt. I am considering buying a year, make, model with mileage miles. The service history shows, describe what maintenance has and has not been done. Based on this specific models, known issues, and the current mileage, predict the top 5 repairs I will likely need in the next 3 years, the estimated cost of each repair, and the total 3-year ownership risk cost. Then tell me how much I should subtract from the asking price to account for this risk. ChatGPT generates a 3-year risk-cost projection. If the analysis shows $3,200 in likely repairs, you have a mathematically justified reason to offer $3,000 less than the asking price. No dealer can argue with probability analysis based on their own car's documented history and known model-specific failure patterns. Tool number 4, AI writes your complete negotiation script. You now have the data, the VIN analysis, the market comparison, the mechanical risk projection. Now you need to deploy it correctly, because even with perfect data saying the wrong thing at the wrong moment, lets a skilled salesman recover the situation. Use this prompt to build your complete negotiation playbook. I am negotiating to buy a year make model. The asking price is dollar amount. Based on my research, fair market value is dollar amount. There are X documented issues from the history report, and predicted repair costs over 3 years are dollar amount. Write me a complete negotiation script, including my opening offer with justification. Responses to the 5 most common dealer pushbacks, how to handle, let me check with my manager, when to walk away, and exactly what to say. And my final offer strategy if they come close to my target. ChatGPT writes a word-for-word negotiation playbook, every dealer move countered, every emotional tactic neutralized, every pressure technique dismantled with data. Print this before you walk in. You are not a buyer anymore. You are a negotiation system. Tool number 5, the calculation that changes every buying decision. Most buyers only think about the purchase price. That is exactly what dealers want, because the real cost of owning a car, insurance, fuel, maintenance, depreciation, financing can be 2 to 3 times the sticker price over 5 years. This final AI analysis gives you the complete picture and often reveals that the cheaper car is actually more expensive to own. Calculate the 5-year total cost of ownership for a year make model priced at dollar amount. Include estimated monthly insurance cost in your state, country, average fuel cost based on MPG and dollar current fuel price per gallon, predicted maintenance costs based on reliability ratings, estimated depreciation over 5 years, and financing cost if I put dollar amount down at current interest rate %. Compare this to alternative car make and model priced at dollar amount, which is actually cheaper to own. This analysis has completely reversed car buying decisions for thousands of people. The car that costs $2,000 more to buy sometimes costs $8,000 less to own over 5 years. When you walk into a dealership with total cost of ownership data, you are operating on a completely different level than 99% of buyers they see every day. Pause right here. If this data is already changing how you think about your next car purchase, hit the like button now. All 5 exact AI prompts from this video are pinned in the comments below. Go copy them before you visit a single dealership. So, there it is. 5 free AI tools that turn you from an emotional buyer into a data-driven negotiation system. VIN, forensic analysis, real-time market intelligence, mechanical risk projection, word-for-word negotiation script, and total cost of ownership calculation. Car dealerships have had the data advantage for decades. In June 2026, that advantage is gone. Use these tools before your next car purchase. The 30 minutes you spend preparing will save you thousands of dollars at the table.